We are going to multiply 52 times 32 using partial products. First, make sure you estimate. So we could say, for example, 50 times 30 equals, cover your zeros, 5 times 3 is 15, put your zeros back in, 1, 2, 1, 2. So here's our estimate. Please make sure if you're in my class that you're doing an estimate on your whiteboard that you can take a picture of, or you're writing an estimate onto your Google slide. All right, here's how partial products works. You're going to take your first number and put it into expanded form. So 50 plus 2 is 52. Take your second number, give some space here, 30 plus 2. I like to draw some boxes around them just to keep them all nice and neat. Now I like to think of this as like a sports competition or a boxing match where the 30 and the 2 are on a team. You know, they came together, so they're never going to fight each other. And the 50 and the 2 are on a team, so they're never going to fight each other. But they came to fight the other team. So the 30 needs to fight with the 2 and the 50. And the 2 also needs to fight with the 50 and the 2. And that's it. So watch how I do this. Let's start on the bottom. 30 needs to go against the 50. And the 30 needs to go against the 2. The 2, let's get a different color in here, is going to go against the 2 and go against the 50. And what did I draw there? This looks like a bow tie. So if you made it look like a bow tie, then you know you've got it right. So let's do it. So let's do 30 times 50. And I actually, I like to write them all out before I do all my math so I don't get tired and then forget. So 30 times 50 and then 30 times 2. And then we don't need to bother with the 50. We're just doing, because he's already here, right? 2 times 50. See, there's the 50 again. And then 2 times 2. So you can see here that I have the blue and the blue. This is one team. And then I have the green and the pink. The 50 shows up twice, the 2 shows up twice, the 30 and the 2. Everyone is fighting each other on the other team. 30, 50, 32, 22, 20, 50. It makes a bow tie. Now you're just going to solve all of these, and whatever you get, add them together. So 30 times 50 is a lot easier than it looks because you're just going to do 3 times 5 and then put your zeros. So 3 times 5 is 15. And then there was 1, 2. There were 2 zeros. 30 times 2, that's the same as 3 times 2. And then just put that 0 back in. So 3 times 2 is 6. So you get 60. 2 times 50. So do 2 times 5 and then put the 0 back in. So 2 times 5 is 10. And then put the 0 back in. So 100. 2 times 2 is 4. Now we need to add all these together, but they're not lined up right now. So I'm actually going to line them up. So 1500, 100, 60, 4. Add these all together and then you'll have your final answer. And that's how you do partial products.